What if I told you that you could start making up to $100 a day online using ChatGPT without any experience, skills, or even showing your face? This isn't just hype. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a real step-by-step method that beginners are using to earn daily income with AI tools. Stick around till the end, because I'll show you exactly how to set it all up and reveal a trick that automates most of the work. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT can actually do. It can write, summarize, brainstorm, research, and even generate emails, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. Now imagine businesses and freelancers who don't have time to write this stuff, but are willing to pay someone else to do it. That's where you come in. Step 1. Go to a freelancing platform like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Create a profile offering simple writing services, blog posts, email newsletters, product descriptions, or even social media captions. Don't worry, you won't be writing anything yourself. Step 2. Head to ChatGPT and start crafting your offer. For example, if someone wants a 500-word blog post on healthy eating, just type, "Write a friendly 500-word blog post on healthy eating for beginners." ChatGPT gives you the full post in seconds. Step 3. Format the response. Proofread it quickly and deliver it to the client. That's it. Now here's how the money adds up. On Fiverr, simple blog posts sell for $10 to $30. Email newsletters, $20 to $50. Product descriptions, $5 to $15 each. If you complete just 4 to 5 orders per day, which takes less than 2 hours using ChatGPT, you're hitting $100 or more daily. Want to go even faster? Here's the automation trick. Use a free tool like Taskade or Zapier to automate client intake forms and organize orders. Combine this with Google Docs and Grammarly, and you've got a near autopilot writing business powered by AI. Bonus tip. Add upsells. For example, offer SEO optimization, faster delivery, or formatting for extra cash. These small add-ons can boost your earnings by 30 to 50% per order. Still not convinced? Search Fiverr right now for AI blog writing. You'll see hundreds of people doing exactly this. Many are charging premium prices while using tools like ChatGPT behind the scenes. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start making money online, this is it. You don't need to be a writer. You don't need fancy gear. You just need a free AI tool and a few minutes of your time each day. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that follow or subscribe button. I share faceless money-making methods just like this every week. Now go try it out and start building your 100-day AI income stream today.